Hello and welcome to MTM. This is an app that allows you to manage time in your meetings, either for single sessions, so just a standard meeting, or multi-session, for example, if you had auditions. In this tutorial, we're going to look at single session meetings, so standard meetings. Let's click on this button here. Now, the first thing you need to do is set the end time of your meeting, so click up here. Let's change it to 11 o'clock, for example, and click on OK. And the next thing you need to do is set your alarms. So alarm 1 is the number of minutes before the end of the meeting. Alarm 2 is also the number of minutes till the end of the meeting, but you might want to set that if you were to have summaries or conclusions at the end of a meeting, so you want to add an extra little time at the end of the meeting. So let's click on alarm 1. If you click up here, you can change the number of minutes until the end of the meeting. So let's choose 12 minutes. You could also disable it if you wanted to. You can select flash, buzzer. This is the title that you've chosen for your alarm. And here you can adjust the sound and the duration of the alarm. And you can do a quick audio test if you want to. Click on OK and do the same for alarm 2. Again, you can change the number of minutes or disable it. Click on flash, buzzer, title here, adjust volume down here, duration down here, and also an audio test. Once you're happy with all of this, just click on OK. And now you're ready to start. So just click on Start. When you click on Start, you get this confirmation window, which is basically a summary of all the settings you've got. So in this instance, you know that your meeting is going to last 1 minute and 57 seconds. Alarm 1 will be triggered 12 minutes before the end of the meeting with sound only, no flash, no buzzer. And alarm 2 will be triggered 2 minutes before the end of the meeting, again, sound, no flash, no buzzer. Once you're happy with all of this, click on OK, and off you go. There's a little jingle to say that it's the beginning of the meeting. Now, if you click on Stop, you can actually change the alarm setting slightly or go into more detail. So we'll just click on Alarm Settings here. And this basically shows you the settings that have been chosen, but you can actually change the number of minutes by using this. This is alarm 1, alarm 2. You can change that as well down here. And the little bell up here is the jingle announcing the beginning of the meeting. And in the bottom bit, this is where you can choose the titles. So, for example, for the jingle at the start of the meeting, click on here. You can choose your title, or you can disable it. Again, you can choose the volume and adjust the length. Do an audio test. If you were to want to add another title, then you just click on Add, and you can go and find a suitable title on your handset. Once you're happy with all of this, you just click OK. And now you can see that you can change the title here for this one. Add another title. That's for alarm 1. Same for alarm 2. You can change the title. And over on the right here, this is where you can configure the flash or the buzzer. So once you're happy with all of this, just click on OK and Start. Again, you get your summary. If anything appears in orange, it means it needs checking. For example, if the meeting is longer than 4 hours, it would appear in orange because it might not be right. and if nothing is configured for your alarms, that will appear in orange as well. So once you're happy with all of this, click on OK, and off you go. And that's it. That was the quick start tutorial for MTM. Thank you. Bye bye.